For this Google Classroom, we're going to be composing shapes. We're going to be using littler shapes that you have sometimes seen as tanagrams, but we're going to be moving these colorful shapes on top of the white shape to make the shape that is given. So I'm going to actually move the colored shape by clicking and holding my mouse and then pulling it over top of the white shape. And I have to use all the colorful shapes that are given to me to create the white shape, just like that. Okay, I'll do another easy one for you. Again, you just click and hold and drag these over top of the white to make your new shape. There we go. They don't have to be perfect, but line them up as closely as you can. Now they go down in difficulty, so as you scroll down, you're going to start to get more pieces. So we started off with 2 pieces, and then we go to 3. And I'm going to show you a 4 one. Remember, you have to use all of your pieces to make your white shape. So this time I'm using little triangles, putting them together to make a bigger triangle. And just like that. Now you don't have to rotate or change the size of any of the colored shapes. They're already set for you. So all you have to do is move them over to the white shape. When you're all done, turn it in.